Alright, video number 2. We're going to do 4, 5, and 6 together. We're probably going to skip 7, 8, 9 since they're all done the exact same way. Number 4, we're given A is 76, C is 96.21, and B is 59. Now, since I noticed this right angle symbol in my triangle, this is a right, and all sides are different, a right scalene triangle. Again, right angle sitting in there, so it's a right triangle, and all sides are different, so we call this a right scalene triangle. So now let's do the area. As you know, the area is the base times the height divided by 2. And one thing I want you to keep in mind is the base and the height always form a right angle. So you want to keep that in mind. So I'm going to write this at the very top of this. Base and height form a right angle. Again, that is really important all the way through. That way you don't accidentally put like the side angle here in your formula. So if I know that the base of this triangle is 76 times by the height, which is 59, get my answer, and don't forget to divide by 2. So 2,242 feet squared. And the perimeter, as usual, I'm just going to add up all 3 sides together. 59 plus 76 plus 96.21. 231.21 feet. Alright, number 5. We have a much smaller triangle, so it might be a little harder for me to label, but let's see if we can squeeze those in. 45 on the base. Here's my height. Notice the right angle that is formed. B is 65 all the way around. And my height sitting inside 59.1. Kind of hard to see it in there because it's written really small. But again, you make sure you're using the same formula. Base times height divided by 2 equals my area. Now I better put that over here as well, so we don't forget. So let's calculate the area right now. So we have 45 times the height, 59.1. Hit my equal sign, divide that answer by 2, and we have 1329.75 feet squared. So it's 1,329 and 7/500 feet squared. The perimeter, add up all 3 sides. So 65 plus 65 plus 45. That gives you 175 feet all the way around. And I have 2 sides that are the same, so we're back to our isosceles triangle. There we go. Last question then for this worksheet. Notice we have 60 all the way around, so it's the same type of that we had from before, an equilateral triangle. So write that in there right now. The area, again, that from a base times height divided by 2. So the height is 52. It tells me right here in the question. The base is 60. So 60 times 52. And then make sure I divide it by 2. So 1560 feet squared. And perimeter, add up all 3 sides. So 60, 60, and 60. Add those up. That's 180 feet. So there we go. So you got your worksheet all done. Hopefully this helps you with everything else. And good luck.